You have been curious about AI agents and want to upskill for free with Google's own ML researchers. Then you cannot miss this chance. Google has officially launched the 5 days AI Agents Intensive course, and today I shall break down everything you need to know about it. From what is it and why it's a game changer for your AI career. Hello everyone, welcome back to Apnalogic. I am Khushal, and today we will see the nice opportunity for the students who are curious about the AI and AI agents. So see, since last November more than 4 lakh learners joined Google's 5 days Generative AI Intensive course to master Gen AI fundamentals. And now they are taking things to the next level with a brand new sequel, the 5 days AI Agents Intensive, a no-cost global course designed to help you build and deploy the intelligent autonomous systems. Whether you are just starting your AI journey or already experting with LLMs, this course will give you the architectures, tools, the best practices to create everything from simple bots to advanced multi-agent systems. So what exactly is the 5 days AI Agent Intensive program? Let's see. This is a 5 days online immersive course created by the Google's machine learning researchers and engineers to help developers like you explore the fundamentals and real-world applications of AI agents. You shall learn the key components in this program, like what are the models, what are the tools to use it, then memory, then evolution, then what is the memory and how we calculate our evolution of the models, etc. And most importantly, how to move beyond prototypes to build the production ready AI agents. Here is how the program is structured. The program basically gives the daily assignments. You shall receive the white papers, broadcasts generated with the Node LLM and the companion code labs to practice at your own pace. Second one is the Discord discussion threads. It is a dedicated channel on the Kaggle's Discord for asking questions, exploring the ideas and connecting with the learners and Google experts. Also, you will have the daily live stream seminars and AMS. In that, live sessions on the Kaggle's YouTube channel, where the course contributors dive deeper and answer your questions, plus some fun surprises. At the end of the day, you will build a real-world project to level up your portfolio and complete for a Kaggle badge, swag and the shoutouts. After completing the Capstone project, you will be nominated for the Google's premium swags and the Kaggle badge. Also, shoutouts on the Google's social media. It is big opportunity, in my opinion. It is a big opportunity for us. The launch date of this program is November 14, 2025. Participation is optional but highly recommended. There is no deadline for registration, but you don't miss out this chance, so register fast. Also, here a quick breakdown of the 5 days. On day 1, you will be introduced to the agents and agentic structures. In that, learn how the agents differ from the traditional LLM apps and build a strong foundation. On the day 2, you will build the hands-on the agent tools and interoperability with the MCP. In that, you will discover how the agents use external APIs and explore the model context protocols. On day 3, there are the sessions on the context engineering and the memory. In that, you will learn to implement short and long-term memory for more powerful multi-turn agents. On day 4, you will be able to calculate the agent quality by observability, logging and the evolutions. You will gain knowledge as the master the art of monitoring, tracking and improve your agents with the real metrics. The last but not least, day 5, on which you will create your own prototype for production. In that, you finally learn how to deploy and scale your agents for a real-world use, including agent-to-agent protocol to build multi-agent systems. For registration, just go to the description, click on the link. Here is the event name as a join the 5 days AI Agents Intensive course with Google. You just need to click on the register button and just simply select your email. Just click on the next button, and after it, second step is to register yourself. Just fill out some personal basic details and just click on the register. After clicking the registration, you will see the interface like it. In that, you will notice that you have been successfully registered for the 5 days AI Agent Intensive course with the Google, and also you will receive an email of your confirmation. So that's it. It is so simple to register in this course. So the question is coming in your mind, that is why you should join this program. So in my opinion, this is more than just a course. It is a career booster. You shall learn directly from Google's experts, work on the practical projects, and become the part of the global AI community. And the best part of it is completely free. Means you have not spent ₹1. Also is open to learners worldwide and designed for both beginners and expert devs also. Best part of this program, top 10 students get the swags from the Google and also get the Kaggle badge on their respective profile. Also, all participants get the free Google powered Kaggle certificates. So if you are serious about building the intelligent agents, don't wait. Register today for the 5 days AI Agent Intensive with Google and take your Gen AI journey to the next level. I have added the official registration link in the description box, so check it out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Apnalogic for more AI updates, free courses and opportunities in tech. Until next time, keep build the logic, grow together. See you in the next video.